I'm fine. What's your name?
Wendy.
Wendy. Oh,
Yes.
great.
And where do you live, Abdullah?
I live in Pakistan.
In Pakistan. Wow.
Yes,
And how old are you?
I'm 8 years old. How
You're-
old are you?
Oh, I'm very old. I'm 60.
60.
Hmm.
You're just like my grandma.
Well, that's nice. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yeah,
Yes. How many?
I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters.
And are you the oldest or the youngest?
The youngest.
You're the youngest. Okay.
I got a frog in my throat.
That's okay. You can cough. Do you need to get some water?
No.
No, you're okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Why?
Sometimes I get.
Pardon?
Sometimes I get a frog in my throat.
Okay. Why are you learning English?
No, I'm not learning English. I'm a teacher.
You're a teacher.
Yeah.
Okay. Who do you teach?
I have some students. I teach them English.
Okay. How do you teach them English online?
Sometimes online, sometimes not.
Okay.
Sometimes physical.
Okay. How many students do you have?
I have many that I can't count.
Okay.
I have my own YouTube channel.
Do you?
Yeah.
Well done. So are most of your students from Pakistan?
From Pakistan, yeah.
Okay. And do you enjoy teaching?
Yes.
Yes, that's good. And what are you doing on the weekend?
I will just watch cartoons, play all day cricket,
Cricket. Do you love the
play
cricket?
Yeah, I
Yes.
love cricket.
Do you watch when Australia and Pakistan or Australia and India play each other?
Yes, I watch Australia and Pakistan.
And who is your favorite player from Pakistan?
Babar Azam.
Okay. And do you have a favorite Australian player?
Uh,
Not really.
I like all the teams, but I don't know the names of them.
Okay, that's okay. And do you play cricket?
Yes,
Are you better at batting or are you better at bowling?
I'm better in batting and bowling too.
Oh, you're very good. Do you like
Yeah.
fielding?
Yes,
Yes.
but I can't do that.
You can't?
Yes, that is so difficult.
It is.
In winter, I can do because that time I have some gloves and shoes I can run, but in the summer I can't.
It would be very hot in the summer too, is it?
Yes,
Yes. Is it summer or winter in Pakistan?
it's summer. It's too hot.
So in Australia, it's winter.
It's winter.
It is. I have a big jacket on because I'm cold.
Okay. It's so funny.
It is, isn't it? It is. So at the moment where I live, it is 16 degrees.
16 degrees.
Mm.
Okay.
So a little bit cold.
Yes.
Yes, yes. And what are you doing? Oh, so what's the time in Pakistan?
It is 7:38. And what is the time in your country?
12:08 in the afternoon.
Okay.
So I am in your future.
Yes.
That's funny, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, yes. Do you like to read books?
Yes. I love to.
Good. And what is your favorite cartoon?
My favorite cartoon is Zorro.
Zorro. Okay.
Yes.
And do you like watching movies?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Have
I
you
just
ever?
like
Sorry, go on.
I just like to watch cartoons and play video games.
Okay. What's your favorite video game?
Modern Combat 4.
Okay. And are you a good player?
Yes.
Yes. You've got fast reflexes?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. And have you had your breakfast this morning?
Yes.
What did you have?
I have eggs and a cup of tea
Eggs and
and
a cup of
that's all.
tea. That
Yes.
sounds delicious. Did you cook your eggs or does your mum cook your eggs?
My mom cooks my eggs.
Oh, that's nice. And do you have any pets at your house?
Nope.
Nope. I have a dog.
You have a dog. Wow.
Yeah. Her name is Roxy.
Rocky.
Mm-hmm. And do you live in a big city or a little town?
I live in a little town.
Okay. And do you go to school in that little town?
No.
No? Where do you go to school?
My teach me at home.
Oh, cool. That's good. And do you have a grandma and a grandpa?
No. They have died.
Okay. Mm.
I haven't seen them.
Oh, you never saw them?
No.
Okay. Okay. And besides cricket, is there any other sport you like to play?
No.
No?
I like watching football.
Football's pretty good. We in Australia, we just had the Women's Football World Cup and Spain won.
Okay.
Who's your favorite team?
Argentina.
Argentina. Okay. Abdullah, we are nearly out of time. So I just
Yeah.
wanted to say it's been great to meet you and your
Nice.
English is good. So have a good weekend. And I'll see you another day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.